Hey everybody, this is Keybridge Hobby Network here. Today I got this in the mail, the TRAXXAS Desert Racer Off-Road Light Kit. And I'm just going to quickly go through how the wiring is wired together just real quick. I did this so when I get home all I have to do is basically plug it in, wire it up to my ESC, and it'll be ready to go. So here we go, real quickly. The wires are already color coordinated. The A is for your grill lights right here. It goes to a splitter, so both of the LEDs plug into that, and this goes into the A port. B is for the yellow, is for the windshield light bar, and C and D is for your tail lights right there. Well, it's kind of all tangled up, but yeah, but that's how it's wired up. And this end right here goes to your speed control. And that's it, guys. You got additional brackets here for the grill LEDs, and that's it. It's a quick video. I just want to quickly show you guys how this thing is put together. And until next time.